Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I mean, we are drifting down right now. This is the 4 hour time frame. I think we have a pretty nice little five waves up right here. And I think that more than likely we're going to make a pullback to these five waves before we end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. Probably not right now we're in like a wave A. Probably eventually you'll get like a wave B and then probably a wave C or maybe even a WXY or something like that before we end up continuing the uptrend, most likely taking out the low of wave 4. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we got CPI inflation data coming out today. Normally a pretty big news event. As of right now, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kind of seems like we might drift out a little bit more, maybe take out the low of wave 4, likely a wave A, and then we're probably going to end up making a pullback to that wave A, like a wave B. A wave B can be any corrective pattern, which usually is a crescent to the whole wave A, and then probably down again eventually for a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.